So hello guys, it's me, your best friend Mr. Roro. So today I'm going to show you how to fill up the CB1000R without any spillage. Many people know, and I've seen a lot of complaints on the internet, that this bike spills too much. I've seen a lot of people having issues in filling up this bike, and this is due to this metal line here that's in there. That's a stopper. So in order for us to fill without spillage, you need to put it at the right angle. Supreme E5. So in order for you not to spill, please have a look, you need to put it to this angle. Okay, see? And I'm using the full power of the pump, and it doesn't spill anything. Okay, and it stops. If you put it vertically like this, it's gonna spill. If you put it a diagonal angle, it's not gonna spill. So this is the secret of filling up the CB1000R without spilling, because of that stopper over there. Share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.